Rasulullah said, those who have not gone in jihad, then how you will enter in Jannat. I have heard your tape on jihad in toto, but then from Quran, Hadith, no, you have to, it's not enough to just pray 5 times, roza, namaz, family, practice, earning, business, but you have to move out, spend some time, So, I didn't know how to answer.
I asked a question. He being a doctor, one of his friends said that only keeping roza, reading salah, praying 5 times is not sufficient. You have to do jihad. Go out and move in jihad. Do jihad. You have to move out and do jihad. So is it right? He's totally right. The jihad should be there. But what is the meaning of jihad is important. Jihad, many people think that any war fought by any Muslim for any reason is called as jihad. Whether it be for his personal gain, whether it be for money, whether it be for fame, it's called as jihad. Jihad doesn't mean any war fought by any Muslim for any reason, whether personal gain or fame. Jihad comes from the Arabic word jahada, which means to strive. In Islamic context, it means to strive against one's own evil inclination. Jihad also means to strive and struggle to make the society better. Jihad also means to strive and struggle in the battlefield in self-defense. Jihad also means to strive and fight against oppression. Jihad basically means to strive and struggle. So every Muslim should do jihad. There's no doubt about it. But I'm understanding what he's trying to say. Jihad matlab hathiyar uthao and go. You have to go and fight, pick up a gun, or pick up a sword, or pick up a knife. See, jihad becomes a fard on any Muslim if the call is given by the Khalifa. Jihad becomes fard on a Muslim if the head of state says jihad. Irrespective whether a doctor, or an engineer, or a lawyer. We can say, I'm a doctor. He may say, okay, go and treat the patients in the battlefield. Or he may say, it's not required. Don't treat, pick up a sword, so you have to pay. That is if the Khalifa, the head of state, gives a call. Otherwise, it's not a fard. Just because your friend says, I say, it doesn't become fard. Now what has happened, that now I feel the best type of jihad. That war is one type of jihad. The best jihad today is to strive and struggle to remove the misconception of Islam. According to me, the best jihad today is dawah. Imagine, like we know what happened in Denmark, speaking against the Prophet. What are you going to do? Take a sword? You have to fight them in the media. And the 6 levels are described. Do that. That is jihad. Like in the media, may take out a peaceful protest, maybe economic embargo, ban their products, maybe a legal suit, political action. Last is maybe by the burning of flags, etc. All this I discussed. And the best type of jihad, if you have heard my answer, keeps on changing depending upon the situation. It's not one the same. But generally, to fight against your own evil inclination is the best jihad. Hope that answers the question.